BTVTED Program Philosophy. The Technical and Vocational Teacher Education major in Food Services Management program is grounded to believe that the food service industry plays a critical role in the economic, social, and cultural development of the Philippines. Our program is committed to produce competent and effective technical vocational education who can contribute to the growth and development of this industry by providing quality education, trainer, and seek to foster a culture of excellence, integrity and responsibility. Value the value the development of values, ethics, professionalism among our students. Next is BTVT goals. The program aims to develop and motivate teacher and technical and vocational education in the area of specialization. The technical and vocational curriculum shall impart the body of knowledge, skills, attitude, values, and experiences that will provide prospective grade 9 to 10 TLE teacher, senior high school teachers for the Techbook livelihood track to vet trainers and instructors in a higher education institution with necessary competencies essential for effective teaching. Thank you.